Now we shall go to the most magnificent meter in the whole range of Sanskrit literature, the 19-syllabled Shardola Vikriditam. Shardola Vikriditam is the most majestic meter, and it has Yatisthanam after the 12th letter. Starting from Kalidasa, all great poets have used. In Sanskrit, 3 meters can be treated as all-round meters. The smallest is Shloka, the medium is Vasanta Tilaka, and the biggest is Shardola Vikridita. We can as well count Upajati in this section, but these 3 meters have an unfailingly striking marvel in their diction and melody. While in Upajati, there is an element of monotony and boredom because of the Matrika variety which can as well be read here and there. It goes in the Sankirna Gati, Takadhimi Takitadhim, Takadhimi Takitadhim, or Takitadhim Takadhimi, Takitadhim Takadhimi, like that, Viloma Sankirna. And because of that, there is an element of monotony, but we can never feel the monotony in these 3 meters like Shloka, Vasanta Tilaka and Shardola Vikridita, for they nowhere accommodate any tala. Now going to Shardola Vikridita, Bhartrhari has really immortalized Shardola Vikridita in his Vairagya Shataka. However, Kshemendra declares in his Suvrata Tilakam that Rajashekara is too well known for this meter. But there are many stalwarts who have wielded their pen wonderfully in handling Shardola Vikriditam. The meaning of the meter itself is majestic. The gait or play of a tiger, our national animal. A magnificent verse from Bhartrhari's Vairagya Shataka. Matarmedini tata maruta sakhe tejassu bandho jala bhratarvyoma nibaddhayesha bhavatam antya pranamanjalihi yushmat sangavashopajata sukrataspharas puran nirmala jnanapast samastamoha mahima liye parabrahmani. Here, an unbroken compound word extending to the 4th line, starting from this 3rd line to the middle of the 4th line, is the stamp of Bhartrhari, and there lies the beauty of this meter too. I shall repeat it. Matarmedini tata maruta sakhe tejaha subandho jala bhratarvyoma nibaddhayesha bhavatam antya pranamanjalihi yushmat sangavashopajata sukrataspharas puran nirmala jnanapasta samasta moha mahima liye parabrahmani. One more verse from Bhartrhari's Niti Shataka. Kshutshamopi, Jara Krashopi, Shithila Prayopi, Kashtam Dasham, Apannopi, Vipanna Didhitirapi, Praneshu Munchatswapi, Matte Bhendra Vibhinna Kumbha Pishita Grasaika Baddhasprakaha, Kim Jirnam Trinamattimanam Hatam, Agresara Kesari. To explain the beauty of this verse, we may take 15 minutes or so, but we are not going to that. However, to reveal the beauty of the content, to what extent a meter can contribute, can as well be realized in this particular example itself. Here, the compounding of words and uncompounding of the words and the sounds in the form of both vowels and consonants, everything have yielded wonder, beauty, majesty and sublimity. To speak in the words of Anandavardhana, every utterance is a Venjaka Samagri in this particular verse, and much of it goes to the credit of Shardola Vikridita.